Hey guys, I crocheted a chain scarf. I wanted it to look like a jewelry chain. You can make it colorful, change the size of the rings, use it as a garland, or connect the ends and make a statement necklace. I used 2 bundles of this yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. First, place the yarn over the hook with the end facing forward. Bring the end of the yarn to the back. Then bring the longer end over to the front of the hook and pull it through the loop created. This is a slip knot. Bring the longer end over to the front again and pull it through the loop created. This is the first chain stitch. I made 20 chain stitches, and you want to make the loops a little loose. It should look like a braid. There are 2 loops in the front and 1 loop in the back. To connect it, I brought the hook through the first back loop and made a single crochet stitch. To do this, go through the loop, yarn over, and pull it through the loop. Yarn over again and pull it through both loops. Repeat this with the rest of the back loops to complete the first round. Flip it so that you see 2 loops in the front. Go through both loops and make a single crochet. Continue making single crochets. I made 8 rounds of single crochets and lined up the ends. To end it, I made 1 chain stitch. Leave enough yarn to wrap around the ring and pull the end of the yarn through the loop. Next, fold the piece in half. Then stuff it. I formed a roll to even out the fluff. To close the opening, I used a tapestry needle. I brought the end of the yarn through the first loop. Then I put it through the outer loop of each side and went through the next set of loops. I made a knot around a loop inside and tucked in the end. I did the same to the other end of the yarn. To attach the rings, add them before connecting the 20 chain stitches. And continue the steps. I made 35 rings before running out of yarn. And here's how it turned out.